Hi guys, today I'm going to unboxing this one DJI Osmo Mobile 3. That's for like gimbal for mobile. I just want this one's it's got like two variant, one with I think this comes with a tripod and the hot box. This one's like a base one, and this one I already opened the box, and first it's come with this one. It's a gimbal. This is the gimbal, and this is a good thing that you can fold it, and this one's a zoom in till wide like for zoom, and this the button is a recording button, manual and power, and it's come with then this one's here with this one's for you can put it in this, and other one is this pouch, and this is the charging cable I think. Yeah, this is your type C, and this is the pouch. And just want to figure out this one's is good, like good is like is you can just fold it and put in a box and something. So I can open it, and this is unlocking, and this is going that way. You can open it in this one. You just turn it on. You just turn it on, and then this one. Then and this one's here. Just open the Memo app. You just connect it. It's going this way, that way. It's I think it's one more. You can double click. This one's going this one. I'll just show you the camera. I think the manual, you can double click manual. Yes, going this way, and you double click. I don't know why this one's it's not picking up the. Just trying to figure out, I think. And DJI. I don't think so for this one. Yeah, it's very cool. It's very good. Good for making videos. It's like a stable, make angles like this one. Go that way, go this way. Yeah. Okay, I'm ending this video here. I'm just a quick short video for this one's DJI Osmo Mobile 3, and hope you enjoy this video. Okay, see you in the next video. Okay, bye.